Welcome to Bogota, Colombia. Today we're boarding an Avianca flight heading from Los Angeles to Bogota, a 7-hour flight. On this flight, we got upgraded to business class, one of the best business classes in Latin America. We were able to upgrade using the bid system in Avianca's business class auction. It was totally worth it because it came with a meal and Chilean wine. Finally, we land in Bogota, one of the most cosmopolitan cities in Latin America, home to 8 million people. The city is sprawling and mountainous at 8,500 feet high. Let's check into our hotel. This is Viator. This is our room. Okay. We just arrived in Bogota. This is the BH Hotel. Nice little hotel. Comes with free breakfast. So a couple more things about this hotel. The rate was about $50 per night. It's very clean, there's hardwood floors, and it came with real Colombian coffee. The hotel included a free breakfast with Colombian favorites such as coffee, fresh fruit, and tamales. We take a 30-minute taxi ride to the center of the city to join the free walking tour, which met outside the Museo de Oro. Here, we get to learn the history of Bogota from the locals. Estamos en Bogota. The walking tour beyond Colombia meets at 10 a.m. and gives historical information about Colombia. Have you ever wondered why Ecuador, Venezuela, and Colombia have the same color flag? They used to be part of Gran Colombia. Our guide explains what happened.
And after Simón Bolívar died, Ecuador and Venezuela approached us and told us or informed us that they were going to secede from the Union. Rush hour traffic. Because in rush hour traffic in Bogota is, trust me when I tell you, it's the worst you'll encounter.
Colombia is enjoying a peaceful time in their history. They were even named the Country of the Year by The Economist in 2016. Our guide explains why.
However, I don't know if you know, but FARC, the biggest and most powerful guerrilla in Colombia, in the year 2016, signed a peace agreement with our government. Yes, they are running. They're running for politics and all that. Yes, and however, ELN, the second most powerful one, still active.
Right across the street, an important political event occurred. The Populist Party leader Jorge Eliezer Gaitán was assassinated in 1948, which caused huge riots on the streets of Bogota and later gave rise to the group called the FARC. The spot is inconspicuous now, right next to a McDonald's. It's the shrine of Jorge Gaitán. He was shot 3 times in the back. So this whole area was burnt down after the assassination, so they rebuilt it. It used to be Spanish colonial, but now 1950s architecture. Now, on a brighter note, can you guess what one of Colombia's top exports is? And no, it is not white, but green.
That a few years ago, a very famous actress known as Angelina Jolie, she sent here to Colombia a couple of jewelry experts to purchase for her Colombian emeralds. Let me show you what they got for her. This is what they acquired for her. Stop here just to let you know that we're about to enter La Candelaria district.
Now we head to the Candelaria district, one of the most colorful, historic parts of town. We're walking around the Spanish colonial section. They're doing a little construction. But look at all these colors. This is a purple and yellow building like the Lakers. Now, time to try some of the traditional Colombian drinks.
Pull it out if you can and pass the rest. All right, guys? Drinking vessel. Drinking vessel. Drink of South America in pre-Hispanic time.
Chicha.
Understand it? Now guys, please, not to be confused with cocaine, all right? Coca leaf and cocaine are two separate things. thinking that cocaine and Coca are the same is like saying that the vodka and potatoes are the same. Colombian coffee and Brazilian coffee are not better or worse, they are different. They are totally different. When people ask us, which is better, Brazilian coffee or Colombian coffee? They're different, right? Brazilian coffee, in its majority, it comes from the Robusta strain, the Robusta variety. The coffee that we grow in Colombia comes from the Arabica variety, 100% Arabica. Here in Colombia, we don't do blends. We don't grow Robusta or Canephora, we only grow Arabica. So they are totally different. A little bit of Chicha there.
Por supuesto.
Yeah. All right, Mama. Pachamama means Mother Earth. Gracias, Pachamama. And chug it. How was it?
Sweet. It's really good.
Good? Ice is very mild Chicha. Also only 3 or 4%.
Kind of tastes like pineapple juice.
Un té de coca.
Okay.
And Chugula Rocks, my friend, made for an amazing hot drink to start your day with.
We just got the chukula drink. It kind of smells like chocolate, but it's not. So we all got different drinks. Mike got a original beer from the region. BP got Coca tea, and I got, how do you say this?
Chukula.
Chukula. Lots of golden emeralds.
All over La Candelaria, the rooftops of La Candelaria, to display the everyday life of Bogotanians. So not only artists, but you see many other skills and professions.
So many colors and lots of art. Bogota has relatively recently become an epicenter for murals, and how it started, you'll never guess.
Has recently been placed among the 10 most beautiful cities in the world for graffiti or street art. And that explosion of street art only happened in the last 8 years. A young recording artist known as Justin Bieber came here to Colombia. Yes, I know. He started painting graffiti in one of our walls, in one of the busiest avenues in Bogota, with the help of our police. Imagine that. I know.
That's illegal.
I know.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm not sure if it's a kind of art.
I'm not sure it qualifies as art.
As bad as Justin Bieber's art is, at least it gave rise to more beautiful art in the city. And let's drink to that.
Oh, good. Salud, everyone.
Salud. It's good. It's made of sugar cane.
It's a drink for cold weather.
Canelazo. It's hot. There's tea and then sugar cane. This is Museo Botero, free museum. One of the famous Colombian painters is Botero, and his museum is right here in Bogota, free to the public. He's famous for his symbolism and also painting large figures, which he claimed he played with proportions. The flag of Colombia is very similar in color to Ecuador and Venezuela because they used to be together. And the yellow means golden minerals, blue, ocean, red means blood. This is a theater, and this is where the peace agreement with the FARC was signed by the government. The Simón Bolívar Square, Bogotá. Estamos en Bogotá, Plaza Bolívar.
Church's headquarters for its presence in Colombia. And of course, that building right there in the corner is not just a church, that is actually a cathedral. It's the prime cathedral of Bogota. And on the weekends it's open, it's really beautiful on the inside, so do take the time to go inside, right? And finally, my friends, towards the north of this plaza, right there behind me, you find our courts, the courthouses. Now,
Behind me is the cathedral. These are government buildings. Bogota, Colombia. Woo. Mi llama. So we just got done taking the Beyond Colombia free walking tour. Behind me is the mountain Montserrat. We're gonna go up there later via the cable car. And another fun fact about Bogota is that it's very high up. We're at over 8,000 feet high, higher than Denver. Now time to go inside one of Bogota's top museums. So the yellow on the flag represents the minerals, which Colombia is very rich in: silver, platinum, copper, and gold. These were created by the indigenous people of Colombia, the Muiscas. Most of these were destroyed by the Spanish, so the fact that they survived is really amazing. Going into the vault. We are now in the Gold Museum, Museo de Oro. This museum is listed as one of the premier sites to visit in Bogota. These are birds. Alligators, fish, birds, and feline creatures. These are the earrings. So the story goes that the indigenous people had a ritual where they would throw the gold into this lake, and when the conquistadors, the Spanish, found out, they basically looted it, burned it to the ground, melted it, and became rich off of the gold. This headdress. This is the Museo de Oro in Bogota. It's all gold. So this is the lake where the gold was found, and it was used to give offerings. We hope that you enjoyed this tour of Bogota. If you're in town, be sure to check out the free walking tour. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more travel videos.